everyone, it's Justine. This is a quick video because 11/11 is tomorrow, November 11th. And why is this important? First of all, anytime that you see 11/11 or recurring ones, it's basically the universe saying you're on the right track. Good job. Keep going. That thought you were just thinking, act on it. That thing that you're doing right now, keep going with it. So every year we have 11/11, and essentially everyone gets a huge energetic upgrade. Whether you know it or not, or whether you believe it or not, it does happen. So basically parts of us that don't make sense anymore, that are ready to be shed, old beliefs, old fears, old this, old that, you'll start to get this huge energetic upgrade, this huge vibrational upgrade, and then your life will continue to shift until the next year. So I was just thinking about last year at 11/11, I had just gotten back from Bali, I went to Australia, and essentially coming home, I repeated 11/11 twice because I left on 11/11 in Australia. Because of the time change, I repeated it, and when I landed in LA, it was 11/11 still. So apparently I needed a really big upgrade, and quite honestly, like when I came back, I was a different version of myself. I didn't quite know what that looked like. Bali was amazing. It's one of those energetic vortexes that are all over the earth. It's a very spiritual place, so I definitely knew that parts of me had been shed, but I didn't quite know what that has meant. So this whole past year has been basically me really just stepping into like my own and my soul's path and like figuring out what the heck that was. I mean, I didn't know about Reiki. I didn't know about as much about energy as I do now and how this all works and how everything, like we create our own reality, how fear versus love and negative thoughts and positive thoughts. Like I knew a lot, but it's really been, I guess, integrated over this past year. And so now I feel fully like I know what I'm doing. I know what my purpose is. I know how to integrate my spiritual self and my practical self and integrate that into what I've been doing with the nutrition and now also adding the mind and spirit part of it. So if you kind of think about during this past year, if you've become a better version of yourself, you got an upgrade last year. You didn't even know it. Maybe your job changed. Maybe the people around you shifted. Maybe you've moved. Maybe thoughts and beliefs and old ways of thinking or doing things or reacting to things, maybe those don't make sense anymore. And maybe you've become a more balanced, a more peaceful, a more grounded version of yourself. And this is just a confirmation to let you know that you're on the right track. That's exactly what was supposed to happen. This is exactly what's going to continue to happen each and every year. So to make the most of 11/11 tomorrow is really just to, if you're able to at the actual 11/11 time, I mean, of course we have AM and PM, maybe you could just sit and meditate for a few minutes and really just like soak in the energy and just really think about, okay, this is the parts of me I'm ready to shed. And these, so I can be fully, upgraded, and I'm ready to take in new, more positive energy and whatever that means. So yeah, happy 11/11. I guess I don't need to repeat it twice this year because I'm not traveling, but yeah, I was thinking about that last year. It's kind of funny. But anyway, so that's what that's all about. So I'll be making more random quick videos about all sorts of this stuff, and yeah, just really embrace you. I'm guessing that over this past year you've become more aware of like who you are, what's important to you, what makes you happy, what makes you feel good, what's spiritually aligned with you, and just really, it's time to just really like fully, embrace it and not care what people think. We're here to help each other be the best versions of ourselves and help those that are ready to be helped and ready to, shed those layers, but just fully own you. I guess that's just what I want to say. Like, doesn't matter what people think anymore. Own your path and what you came here to do and to be your happiest and healthiest self. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, and enjoy tomorrow. Bye.